Go ahead and replace our exterior driver's side door window sweep located at the top of the driver's side door. I'm going to go ahead and use some plastic trim tools here. I'm going to try and pull up this unit. It should come straight up and out. Ours is pretty rusted. We already have some rusty nuggets falling out of it. We don't want to be careful not to mar up the paint on the vehicle. Pull that up and out, and you have these series of clips along the bottom. They'll simply press back on to the sill of the door right here. Now's a good time to go ahead and clean the sill plate area. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this end here, this is the forward part, and it's going to go in right behind the edge of the mirror. Lower that down into place, and we're going to line up our clips along the bottom here, along the sill. Now our clips are going to fit in right behind that metal sill plate area. I'm going to go ahead and push this down. Once that's in, apply some even pressure all the way down. Just applying even pressure down across. At this point here, now that it's installed, you want to go ahead and just crank that window up and down. Make sure it's given a nice, good, tight seal here.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.